If you are a student and you're looking for free courses with certificate, then in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get free courses from universities like Harvard, Stanford and all the other major universities. So let's get into the video and let me show you how you can get it. So you need to simply search classcenter.com, and after opening the website, what you need to do is you need to scroll down. You can see here there is a list of all the major universities from where you can do a free course. You just need to simply click on the university from which you want to pursue a particular course. You need to scroll down and click on free course with certificate. So as you can see here, there is a bunch of courses that you can do for free with a free certificate. So let's say you want to do this particular course, you just need to click on it. It will take you to another web page. These are the details of this particular course. This course is independent. You will get a free certificate for this course. The language of this particular course is going to be English. You just need to again click go to class and it will take you to the university's website from where you can directly pursue the course. Apart from that, if you come to the website, so you can also get courses from companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon and many more. So let's say you want to do a course from Google. You just need to simply click on Google and you need to scroll down and again select free course with free certificate. So the first thing that you will see is there is a Google Analytics course for beginners, and there are a lot of other courses that you can do for free with a free certificate. So adding these certificates to your resume is going to help you a lot to enhance your CV and enhance your skills in order to get a better job. Let's say if you also want to do any specific course like digital marketing, you just need to simply search in the search tab here, digital marketing. You will see all the courses that are available for digital marketing, and apart from that you can simply select free courses again with free certificates and you will get a list of courses that you can do for digital marketing from this particular website. So how does this website actually work? This website is the biggest aggregator of free courses and you can get all the major courses from major universities and companies here. So it makes it very easier for you to do any course or select any course from this particular website and learn that particular skill with the help of this particular course. Adding them to your CV is going to benefit you a lot in the long run. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.